Hello everybody. It's Stephanie with Coco and Allie Boutique Crafting Page. So I started with this, and it's just from the Dollar Tree. It's a silver bell. And I took that bow off of it and spray painted it black. Any black spray paint will do. Take some good old Mod Podge. And I'm just gonna paint some just spots of Mod Podge on it here and there. No method to it. Now I'm going to take my finger and just kind of smudge it a little bit. Then I'm just taking cinnamon from Dollar Tree. It's just ground cinnamon. So I'm just sprinkling this cinnamon on where I put the Mod Podge. And when you get done, just kind of... I should have done this over a plate, and I didn't. And once this dries, I'll take a brush and brush off all the excess. You see, you get the gist. Got just some burlap ribbon here. And I'm just going to cut a strip of it to go like in this line right here. And then we're just going to make a bow and stuff to go on the top of it. So see, this is what we have. And then I'm just going to start gluing these greenery pieces down. And I'm just going to put a wad of glue and stick my bow to it. Try to make sure it's towards the center. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put these little pine cones right in the center to cover up my zip tie. Just like that, if y'all can see that. And then I'm just going to nestle it in there. Isn't that cute, y'all?